goodness, so many gay people. Stop taking my picture. Do you see them? What is wrong with you people? I'm wearing makeup and stilettos. Thank you. All right, are you guys ready to start this day off? We're going to start this show with one of my favorite people in the world. She's going to sing our national anthem, so behave yourselves for like 2 minutes. 2? Can you get it in 2? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the voice of Indianapolis, Holly Petrie.
Happy Pride! All right, you guys might know this one. If you want to sing along, feel free. Oh yeah, good drum roll, thanks. I love you, Ryan. Hi. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed.